Beautiful people, I just wanted to show you the basket I've made for my friend. My main products are actually crochet products. That's why I'm making it as my short video. Just to be quick, down I've put this baby cocoon. It's the picture you saw like as my thumbnail. Yeah, this is how it's looking like. Let me show you behind. Yeah, you see how I did it with this pom-pom. Yeah, so it's what is actually down. I used it to fill the basket. So plus these baby booties. Yeah, I think you remember I have a video of these baby booties. In case you didn't see the video, please, you'll find it there. And in case you want also me to put a video for a baby cocoon, I'll put it there. So I added on these baby duck, yeah, stuff, and the main duck. I added on these bibs, 2 of them. Then I put this nail grooming kit, which I put on like a ribbon kind of stuff. Then I put on this for playing. You see what I like about it, when you press it, it gives it brings some light. I don't know why it's not lighting, but it does light. Then I put on a pair of these socks. Yeah, so that's what I've given her. Let me know in case you've liked it. That's how my basket is looking, and I've put it in this kind of plastic basket, but it's looking so lovely and cute. So lastly, I'm just going to put on nice clear bag on top, and then I'll wrap it with a ribbon, a light blue ribbon, because it's a baby boy. Actually, it's a baby boy. Yeah, and baby shower theme is they are going to use light blue, yeah, and gold. So I think this will rhyme very well. This is what I'm giving my friend. Let me know please if it's nice. Bye bye.